Hey everyone, welcome to Dream Cars. The 2026 Suzuki Carry 4WD is expected to continue its legacy as Japan's go-to truck, offering rugged durability, improved efficiency and enhanced practicality. Designed for small businesses, farmers and outdoor enthusiasts, the new Carry 4WD aims to be more capable than ever while maintaining compact proportions and fuel efficiency. Robust and functional exterior. The 2026 Carry 4WD will retain its utilitarian design now with modern refinements: reinforced front grille with a bold Suzuki legend or optional LED headlights, optimizing off-road and uneven terrain capability. Compact yet sturdy cargo bed, ideal for carrying heavy loads. Side folding cargo panels allowing easy access from all angles. Steel wheels with all-terrain tires ensuring better grip in rough conditions. Despite its compact size, the new Carry 4WD will remain versatile and ready for any task. Reliable performance with 4WD capability. The 2026 Suzuki Carry 4WD will be powered by an efficient yet powerful K-Class engine featuring 660 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder petrol engine optimized for fuel economy and reliability. Mild hybrid option improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. 5-speed manual or CVT transmission offering smooth power delivery. Selectable 4WD system enhancing traction on rugged terrain. Improved suspension system ensuring stability under heavy loads. Fuel efficiency of approximately 20 to 25 kilometers L47 to 59 miles per gallon, making it an economical workhorse with its combination of power, durability and efficiency. The new Carry 4WD is built for both urban and off-road use. Upgraded safety and convenience features. The 2026 Carry 4WD is expected to include Suzuki Safety Support Package featuring collision warning and automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning ensuring safer long-distance driving, hill hold assist preventing rollback on steep inclines, rear parking sensors and a backup camera making maneuvering easier. Upgraded chassis rigidity improving impact resistance. These enhanced safety features will make the new Carry 4WD one of the safest K-trucks in its class. Functional and comfortable cabin while designed primarily for work. The 2026 Carry 4WD will feature a more ergonomic interior, updated digital instrument cluster displaying key vehicle data, 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, higher with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, durable fabric or vinyl seats optimized for comfort and easy cleaning, climate control system ensuring comfort in all weather conditions, smart storage compartments maximizing space efficiency. Although minimalistic, the new Carry 4WD's interior will provide essential technology and comfort for daily use. Expected price and release date. The 2026 Suzuki Carry 4WD is anticipated to be priced at 1,400,000 to 1,900,000 yen, 9,500 to 13,000, making it affordable for businesses and private owners alike. Official unveiling expected in late 2025. Market launch in early 2026. Available in Japan and select global markets including Southeast Asia. Conclusion: a dependable small truck for all terrains. The 2026 Suzuki Carry 4WD is set to continue its legacy as a practical, durable and fuel-efficient K-truck with modern safety upgrades, improved 4WD capability and enhanced usability. The new Carrier's perfect for both urban businesses and rural adventures. Disclaimer: this is a fan-made concept based on speculation and rumors. At the rear, the 2026 Suzuki Carry 4WD * showcases a practical and rugged design, optimized for both utility and durability. The compact yet robust truck bed provides ample space for carrying cargo, making it perfect for work or outdoor activities. The tailgate is designed for easy loading and unloading, while the rear bumper is built to withstand the rigors of tough terrains. Equipped with LED tail lights for better visibility and a modern touch, the back of the Suzuki Carry 4WD maintains a no-nonsense, functional aesthetic ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're hauling materials or tackling off-road adventures, the back of the Carry 4WD is built to perform efficiently while retaining its strong, dependable look. The final production model may differ from this description. Don't miss out on the latest features, reviews, and exciting news about this rugged and reliable compact truck. Keep following Dream Cars for more in-depth insights into the world of automobiles. Like, share, and subscribe Dream Cars to stay ahead of the curve with all the newest vehicle releases and automotive trends. Thank you for watching.